My slime! Hi, I'm Riley and this is Cameron. And today we're making toothpaste slime! What you'll need is a spoon, toothpaste of course, glue, and a little bit of salt. First, we'll pour the toothpaste in.
What? Gross.
It does look gross.
I thought I never did toothpaste one.
Now pour in the glue. Yikes. Stir it up.
Ooh, so that smells just like mint.
It smells so good. Add a pinch of salt, Cameron. Yeah.
You sure will.
Some more. I think that's it. I think we have slime, Cameron.
No, I want hair.
Ooh, it feels just like slime too. And it smells very good. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Comment and subscribe.
Ooh, I'm Santa Claus with a blue beard.
Bye. I am Claus with a blue beard.
Come on!